Hey guys, it's me, Angelina, and yeah, don't ask why I'm wearing these weird sweatpants, and it's 96 degrees outside. So yeah, look at this is my pool. Yeah, I'm really bored. Don't even know why I came outside. Sorry, the phone is probably going to ring, even though I don't even have a phone outside. So yeah, I'm gonna throw Angelina up in the air now. Sorry, I'm not editing this video. It's just because I'm gonna make a video later and it's gonna be edited. So I'm gonna throw Angelina. You can see my camera and me. Hi. Ow. Yo, do you like the necklace I put on her? My aunt made that. I'm gonna throw her over the fence. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Sorry, I'm not gonna go outside. I'm gonna throw her in the air. Whee! Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back in the house now. Yeah, let's go. Uh-huh. So that was it. I'll make a video later. I pinky promise. I just don't know what it's gonna be about. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!